Hi everyone, welcome back to Larem Designer. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create outline text using both Photoshop and Canva. It's quick, easy, and perfect for your design. You can use this outline text for your logos, poster, and any social media post. Let's start. First of all, let's start with Photoshop. First thing you do is just click File, Open your image you want to use. For me, I have chosen this image of Trevor from GTA 5. So the first thing we do is we will copy the objects. So to do that, you click here to the Object Selection tool by clicking W, or just using here and go to your objects you want to select. You can it works just by moving to your objects. You can see now. Or you can just select like this. The tool is work. And we wait a few seconds. Now, like we see, this object is selected. Just right click and layer via copy. So like you see now, we have copy the subject. Okay. Now let's add the text by moving to the T tool here, or the text. Click here and let's write Trevor. Okay. Control T to scale it like this. Okay, like this one. Now let's duplicate this text by just holding Alt. You can also duplicate the text by Control C, Control V. You can also duplicate a text by clicking Control J. Like you see now, we have created a new layer. Or you can just hold in here and move it to here, and we have a new layer of the text, or a copy of our text. Now let's move this one under the subject, okay? And the second one, we have two options to do that. I will show you the first option and the second option. The first object is by just double click here, and you get the blending option here. You can just select here the stroke. We have choose here the stroke is red, so now I choose just white, and we go to the blending option here, and okay, you will see when I will change here the fill opacity, you can see the outline, and we can use the stroke now any color you want. Okay, but I will work with the white color, and voila. And if we want to move our text, I need to move, like you see, move the two of them. Okay, so for that, I will just select the two of them by clicking Control here and select the second one, and right click to link the layer here, link layers. Now I can move the text wherever I want. Okay, this is the first option. The second option is just by convert the second text to convert to shape, and after that you go now to your shape here, and let's change the fill to none, and we add the stroke is the same. Okay, for me I prefer the first one. You do whatever you want. Okay, change it. Okay, like you see now, just we select the two texts here and we link them, and voila. Let's now move to Canva. I have uploaded my image, so I'm going to use the Clara Garcia from Far Cry 6. Okay. So I will just make it like this. Okay, let's duplicate this one here. You can duplicate this image by doing three things. Control D to duplicate. You can just click on the three dots here and just click duplicate, or you can even by holding Alt. Voila. Position in the same position. Now let's just remove the background to select the subject. Okay, that's good. And we will add the text. Make it big. So I think I will just expand here the background. To do that by select this one here by clicking edit, and you can see here expand, magic expand. Select free, and I will expand a little bit from here and a little bit from here. Expand. Okay. I will choose anyone from all of this. Okay, I will just select this one. Okay. It's not a good result, but it's okay. Okay. Now just let's zoom it or scale it and change the color to white. And we will duplicate this one here. Now go to the position, click layer, and we will put one under the same in Photoshop. Okay, we'll put one under the subject and the other one above the subject, and we will use this one here. Now let's select the first text here, and we go to effect. When you go to effect, you go here, and voila, here you can play here with the thickness of your stroke. Okay. Sorry. Now go again to position and select the first one here, and we select the two texts by holding Control. Select the two of them and right click and select link. Voila. Done. And remove here, and voila, you can see we can use it on any place. Okay. And that's how you create outline text in both Photoshop and Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe for more tutorials on design. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.